Israelites, the prophecies you are seeing taking place in our generation are a manifestation of what have taken place in the spirit realm. Remember, everything that is going to take place will take place in the spirit realm first and manifest in the physical realm. If the events, such as pandemics, flooding, and other disasters are taking place today, they have already taken place in the spirit realm. What we are witnessing is the result of what was foretold in the spirit realm. That is why it is important not to ignore your dreams and visions. Once it manifests, all you can do is prepare yourself. Instead of praying for the Most High to reverse what have already manifested, ask the Most High to provide and protect the remnant in the midst of trouble. For example, we are witnessing water and food shortages in certain regions, flooding in various places. You cannot reverse what is manifesting. What you should do is ask the Most High to protect and provide for your family, your people, and yourself.